I know many of you guys enjoy listening to music. We might have different preferences when we are choosing the song or the album to play when we're cooking, chilling, or working out. But I know that we will all be interested when we realize that there is a method to make money listening to music. And yes, you heard that right. You can get paid to listen to songs that you already like. Well, if you have watched the videos we share on this channel, you might be familiar with the many ways to make money online this year. I will teach you in today's video how to get paid to listen to your favorite music. As usual, I will drop some proof of how much you could be making, together with some exclusive tricks that will help you double up your earnings. And that's not all. This strategy is completely free, and you can use it to make money regardless of where you come from. As long as you have headphones and some nice coffee, you're good to go. Well, before we continue, let us know in the comments section the name of the last song you have listened to today. I am personally tired of the usual playlist I listen to every day and would love to explore some new tunes. But how much money could you make if you apply this strategy? The answer would depend on different factors, but if you watch this video until the end, I will show you the earning potential of this method. To give you an idea, you can expect to make $4 for listening to one song, $100 for listening to 25 songs, or even $200 for 50 songs. You can do this over and over again. We listen to music all the time, so why not make some money listening to a great collection of songs? Alright, let's start our step-by-step tutorial. To begin, I'd like you guys to go to YouTube and search the keyword Top Music this week. You can type the same keyword in your native language, as this strategy works with any language. When you press enter, you'll be presented with a list of the most popular songs this week. You can scroll down to see if there is a singer you know on this list. This will help you a lot. Otherwise, we can still work with the results we have here. Anyways, let me give you a real-life example of the method we are going to follow to start making money listening to music. The second step is to choose 3 playlists. I am just gonna select these 3 music compilations for the sake of an example. The more you choose, the better, but let's stick to 3 this time. Make sure to open the songs on different tabs and copy the 3 URLs into a text document. I am going to listen to these 3 playlists right now to evaluate them. Now, let's move to the third step, which is where the magic happens. But before we continue, welcome back to the Miss Finance YouTube channel, the place where we teach you how to make money online. We test many strategies every day and share with you the proven methods that you can apply to start making revenue from the internet. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit on that notification bell. You'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Now, I want you to go to this website, which is ouo.io. You can earn money by listening to YouTube playlists on this platform. Well, this platform allows us to shorten the URLs, which are pointing to our favorite music on YouTube. You will make money whenever someone visits the link and listens to the music you shared. So, where are you supposed to get those visits from? And who is gonna click on the shortened link? Stay tuned as I'm exploring that in a bit. If we scroll a little bit down, we will get to the platform's short link generator. You remember the 3 URLs I asked you to copy earlier? You just need to paste them here, one by one, and generate the short link, which will make you money. Just paste the link and hit on this button. The short link will be generated automatically. Make sure to copy the 3 short links as we are using them afterward. Now let me show you how to make money using the 3 links we selected earlier. To be honest with you, the amount of money you can make by listening to these songs will not be that much if you decide to keep them to yourself. But if you share the links with others, you can make a decent amount of money every month, especially if you're consistent. What happens is that OUO.io will pay you for all legitimate visitors you bring to the links you generated, with a payout of up to $5 per 1,000 views. That's the minimum, and the best part is that multiple views from the same viewer are also counted, and you will be benefiting from all that traffic. But what if I want to make more money? Then, in that case, I invite you to go through this table that lists down the earnings you could be making if you bring visitors from a particular country. You will make more than $4 if your visitors are from Australia, UK, United States, or Norway. If your visitors come from other countries, the rate will be different, but in all cases, you are still going to make money. Before I share with you the strategy that we are going to use to get massive free traffic, I'd like to show you how to sign up. Just scroll down and hit on Start Earning Now. You will then be directed to the sign up page. Simply type in your username, email, and password, and you're all set. Once connected to the platform, you can click on New Shortened Link. Then paste your URL here. Then click on this button to generate the links. Once generated, copy each link. The links you generated could be found on the link section. You can track your earnings on the dashboard page. Once you reach the minimum threshold, which is $5, you can go to the withdraw section to request your payment. Now, I want you to go to the second website we will be using today, which is called Linktree. If you are on Instagram, I am sure you are familiar with this platform. It allows you to connect audiences to all of your content with just one link. You remember the 3 playlists I asked you to find in step 1? Well, with Linktree, we will have all the links added to one single page. Just click on Sign Up for free to create a new account. It will take you 10 seconds to complete. This is how the dashboard looks like. You can add in the 3 links here, and you are all set. Now, this is the link to your Linktree that you can promote on different platforms. You can add it to your Instagram bio or share it on Reddit. There are plenty of communities for people who enjoy listening to music. Instead of going to YouTube or Spotify, they usually check Reddit to explore new musical trends. And that's your chance to promote the links and make money from every person who clicks on them. And that's pretty much it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. Also, give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. See you tomorrow!